So welcome to Techie Rocker. You're watching this video and this is a video on the installation of the Orange Fox recovery via TWRP recovery. So if you don't have the TWRP recovery, I will also show you in this video, but make sure you have unlocked your bootloader. So Orange Fox recovery is really modern and I'm going to install this on Redmi Note 5 or the Redmi 5 Plus Wins device. So for installing it, just keep watching this video. So now you have to download the Orange Fox recovery. All links are in the description, so make sure to check out. And here's the Orange Fox website. Just go to the options and select the Xiaomi device. You can select any device basically. This is not for a particular device. And I'm going to choose the Wins Redmi Note 5 or Redmi 5 Plus, and I'm going to choose the beta version. Don't choose the stable version, just choose the beta version. If beta is not available, then you have to choose the stable version. Already downloaded. Now just go to the recovery. So here you can see there's no recovery installed in it, just the MIUI recovery. So go to the fast boot. So here you can see in the PC, all links are in the description. So open the ADB shell and you have to install all the drivers. Like just press Y and all drivers will be installed. And make sure your device is connected via USB cable. So after the drivers are installed, just extract the file, that is platform tools, and in the location just enter the CMD and the command prompt will be open in this location. So just enter fastboot devices. You will see your device here and device ID. So when I'm actually recording and actually installing this recovery, my recording got corrupted. So I have to do it again, but I can't install the recovery again. So I will show you example here. And after entering second code, your TWRP will be installed, and after entering the third code, you will see the home screen of TWRP. So here, and it's saying you have to delete the data, that is you have to format and wipe data completely, internal storage, to make any changes. So like this, you have to wipe all the data of your device because MIUI doesn't allow you to any change. So now TWRP is completely installed, everything's fine. Now you can install your Orange Fox recovery over here. So just flash it, wait for it, and you have to again maybe completely format your data in the Orange Fox recovery. So welcome to the Orange Fox recovery over here. So you will see only, and just hit enter. And now let me introduce to this Orange Fox recovery. Here you can see all the customization over here. Mount section is here. Just mount everything, and first you have to wipe internal storage and format data, that is remember. So here wipe everything, but this will not format your data. Go to the manage partition, click on the data, hit the check button, and now click format data. You have to must do this before using the Orange Fox recovery. And the best thing about this, there's a Magisk Manager. You can enable Magisk Core if you're in boot loop, then you can enable the Magisk Core, or you can disable any module. So in the settings you can see there's various options are here. In the TWRP you have lots of options here, but in the Orange Fox recovery you have the huge options over here. Like I will show you customization later, but let me show you some settings like brightness, other things, vibration, backup. And the customization, you can change the theme to the dark mode, and you can also change the accent to the red, purple, blue, black and everything. And in the gesture, you can also enable the full screen gesture. And you can also change the navigation. So thanks for watching, hope you really liked this video, and if you really enjoyed this video then make sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button for more tech related videos. And I uploaded custom ROM installations video on my channel, so make sure to check out.